Ready to crunch on something better? Let's dive into tasty, healthy snacks. First up, apple slices with peanut butter. It's like a party for your taste buds. Crisp, sweet apples and creamy, nutty peanut butter. Perfect balance. Next, Greek yogurt with a drizzle of honey. It's silky, smooth, and just the right amount of sweet. Plus, it's packed with protein to power you through the day. And don't forget roasted almonds. Crunchy, satisfying, and full of healthy fats. They'll keep you feeling full and energized. So next time you're reaching for that bag of chips, think again. Healthy can be tasty and super easy too. Ready to snack smarter? Give these a go and feel the difference. Your body will thank you. Happy snacking.